Hello cloud experts. So let's have a quick demo on RDS. We can do it from the recently visited services. We can type in here, or we can simply go to the services, and then the services we will have databases somewhere here, and the databases on top what we see here is RDS. We'll click on RDS. It will take us to the RDS dashboard or RDS main page. So here it shows Amazon Aurora, which is the Amazon proprietary database. We can just simply cancel it. We can click on DB instances or click on databases here. So as of now there are no DB instances running. So we'll see here there are no instances which are created. Let's go ahead and create a RDS instance. So we'll simply click on create database. So either I can have two options here. Either I can go with the standard create, which is going to be easy standard create, which will allow us to have multiple options, and easy create will create a easier option. So as of now we'll go with standard create. Engine type, it gives us 6 engine type options, which is like Amazon Aurora, MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. As of now we are just going with MySQL. Now where here we see the multiple versions of MySQL. I'm just going with the default SQL version which it is showing. I want to create it for the production or for some development and testing or for free tier. As of now we don't want to spend any money here, so I will simply go ahead and click on free tier. It will create out some of the options which are given below, but as of now we'll go only with the free tier option. Now when we'll click on this, we will simply create a database instant identifier. So I'll click CTG DB 2020 is the name of the instance I've used. I'm using the same name for the username, the master username, CTGDB 2020. I'll use this for the password and also for the confirm password. So I'm using CTGDB 2020 for the username and password. The instance size, it will not allow me to choose other options because I have chosen for the free tier version. Otherwise all these options will be available. It allows me to use what kind of storage type I want to go for, or what kind of allocate storage. I can also change this part. Now maximum storage threshold, multi-AG deployment, because I'm going with free tier, it doesn't allow me to go with multi-AG deployment. It gives me multiple option of RAID replica or some kind of disaster recovery mechanism. So I'm going to create this in my default VPC itself, and I will go with password authentication, and it also gives me some information about estimated monthly cost, but because I'm using free tier version, it will not charge me anything, so it will be free for me. I'll go ahead and create database. So now what I see here is the database being created. Database creation takes a little more time than the EC2 machine, and we will wait for this to come up and then we will move forward with the further video. Now our CTGDB 2020 is up and running, so it says available here. I can simply click on this and see multiple details here. So it shows the endpoint. That endpoint will be used for accessing this particular SQL server. To do this, we need to have another EC2 service running with the EC2 SQL client, and we can log into this SQL server by using a SQL client. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. For early notification, you can also press the bell icon. If you need any more information, please visit us at www.cloud-training.guru or email us at cloudtrainingguru101@gmail.com. Thank you very much.